Ready? Start. What I have said above in regard to students in general would not, however, apply to the students of agricultural schools and colleges. Stop. In their case, it would be necessary part of their training to do field work for a period before they are given diplomas or degrees. Stop. You are aware that on the advice of the All India Council for Technical Education and Scientific Manpower Committee, it is proposed that engineering and technical graduates must do a period of service training before they can enter their profession. Stop. I think such training is even more necessary for the students of agricultural schools and colleges. Stop. I would in fact go further. Stop. While the idea of conscripting students in schools and colleges would be difficult to put into practice, I do not see any reason why colleges and schools in the rural or semi-rural areas should not have an agricultural section attached to them. Stop. The difficulties I have mentioned above, arise only when the students are taken away from their homes or places of normal residence. Stop. There would be no such difficulty if students are required to do some agricultural work in the course of their normal college or school life. Stop. The difficulty of finding adequate land may stand in the way of carrying out this program in educational institutions in large towns and cities. Stop. There is, however, no reason why schools and colleges in the rural areas or small towns should not have attached to them sufficient land which can be utilized for the purpose. Stop. Even colleges in larger towns and cities can cooperate in such a program by stabilizing centers where, during vacations and other holidays, students can acquire an experience of simple practical agriculture by working on the farms. Stop. Many of you know that the universities in the UK and the USA sometimes adopt villages. Stop. I hope that in India also, schools and colleges in urban areas will adopt villages. Stop. There should be friendly competition among educational institutions as to which have done the best rural work. Stop. I hope that this conference will devise some method of carrying out this program, and also advise the Indian Council for Agricultural Research to set up a section devoted exclusively to the development of agricultural education in schools and colleges. Stop. This shall enable you to overcome the shortage of food in our country in future. Stop. Para. One grave drawback to which I would like to draw your attention is our curious failure to realize the dangers inherent in our present food situation. Stop. It is strange that in spite of a shortage of food and the people's knowledge of the fact, there is no passionate urge among them to increase food production in the country. Stop. If your young men and women in colleges and schools are not sensitive to our problems, how are we going to overcome the perils which face us? I am sure, you can all help in creating in young men and women a sense of the urgency of our problems. Stop.